Welcome back to ClearTask. Here is how to turn Steam's big picture mode on, off, and stop it from launching at startup. To turn it on, open Steam and look at the top right corner. Click the icon that looks like a little monitor, or if you have a controller connected, just press the home or guide button. To turn it off, the fastest way is to press Alt and Enter on your keyboard at the same time. If you want to use the menu, press Escape or the B button on your controller, go down to Power and select Exit Big Picture Mode. If Steam keeps opening in Big Picture Mode every time you start your PC, you can stop it. In the normal Steam window, click Steam in the top left, then go to Settings. Click on the Interface tab, find the option that says Start Steam in Big Picture Mode, and turn it off. That is it. If this quick guide helped, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you next time.